We'd like to be the first to welcome you to the Twin Cities of Minneapolis, St. Paul, where the local time here is 9:53. For your continued safety, as well as those passengers seated around you, we ask that you please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and all cabin luggage stowed until the aircraft has come to a completed final stop at the gate and the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. This will be your one and only indication that it is safe to move about the cabin. You'll then have enough time to gather any personal belongings you may have brought aboard with you. Cellular phones may now be used. And on behalf of Delta, and especially your Orlando-based cabin